Hello everyone and welcome again our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really awesome and cool tutorials of drawings and stuff. Starting off with the first one, we'll learn how to make this cute duck. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making these curvy lines which looks like the number 3, which are some inverted ones too, and then we will convert them into two fishes who are facing each other. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making these big ears of this beautiful rabbit who looks really cute and has a small body but a really big head, and who is holding a heart on his hand. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this girl by following the steps as shown. We will start by making the face and hairs of this girl, and will place a big bow tie on her head, and then we'll make her beautiful dress which looks really long, which is really tall and looks really beautiful, and we'll make her hair and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this animal who looks really cute and is a beautiful cat who has a long tail and cute eyes. We'll learn how to make this by following the steps as shown and complete by making the scales on the body of the cat. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this bow tie which looks really big and beautiful on this cat who looks even more cute with the bow tie. We will firstly make the bow tie and then the face and body of this beautiful cat and her big tail. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making the eyes of this creature we are learning to make. We'll make the eyes and then we'll make this body of this cute one, which is a really easy one to make. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this big circle in the middle of the paper, and then we'll create it into a beautiful rabbit who looks really cute, has a big shiny eyes, and then we'll complete it as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this rice ball, which is a cartoon of a rice ball actually, and we'll make his face. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will first start by making a bow tie which is placed on the head of this cat which we are learning to make. The cat is holding a heart on her hand, and then we'll make her face and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making this awesome drawing of this beautiful cabbage which looks really awesome, and it is a really easy one to make. We'll follow the steps and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will learn how to make this beautiful one as shown, which is a beautiful drawing of our favorite Pokemon, the Pikachu. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this cat who has big ears and is also wearing a bow tie on her head. We'll create her body as shown by following the steps. Thank you for watching the video.